What is infinity? It is boundless and endless like nature itself, from the great forest to the fourth dimension. But even more so limitless is our soul, for the journey to find our soul is greater than any goal that it seeks. It offers the truth of balance, freedom, constant purpose, and asks us to seek tools to release our souls into the physical world. The power to create, to shape thoughts and dreams into reality.
I can see